seat. Love don't discriminate. It don't matter your gender or your.
It's like Greek or Hebrew. I mean,
When you smile, Layton ordered fries. Yeah.
Yippee! What?
Dude.
yeah. Unless you want to pay for premium.
What
Where's that coming from?
the hell?
What?
What's happening?
Where's that coming from?
Actually, Chester or chest?
Alexander.
This is super.
Alexander
niche.
is
And one of the minions. What?
banana. What the hell?
What?
I wanna sign up
It's
for the
really,
account.
really scary.
Who are these people?
Nuts.
Who is
Back in
this?
1779, the first model of the human vocal tract.
It's Germa.
Who's Jill?
Sherma just played soldier.
Dude.
It's a SpongeBob laugh.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Alice, you're disgusting.
Juice!
Let's go.
My KD.
Good.
Yep.
Yep.
Wiener.
Ooh, this got ugly.
That little jit.
Jaden Smith.
Jaden Smith. That's him. That's. Corn dog.
Corn dog statue.
What?
Corn dog
Corn
statue.
dog.
You can't say that. I'm gonna fart.
Hamster games.
Yeah, I'm looking at hamster games. Jesus
Oh my
Christ.
god, what the hell?
Dude. Welcome. Eager to add a special zest to our daily chat. That's scary.
Dude!
A balanced diet rich in fiber helps promote regularity and keeps stools soft and easy to pass. Adequate hydration is also important in preventing constipation.
Dude,
and
what the
producing
hell?
Soft, firm stools. Other factors
That was
such as
so
certain
scary.
medications, stress, or underlying health conditions can also contribute to changes in bowel movements. What SG Mech thinks about me to positive C? I did it. That doesn't work on me. It does. It's working on SG Mech now. Dude, this guy. Oh my god. SG Mech feels very happy.
Boom. See that?
What?
Boom.
The geode opened.
What?
You said boom right when the geode opened.
Yeah, I did.
I just sucked a poop back up my butt.
What? Okay.
Sorry.
Okay, my turn. I'll take dare. I'll follow in your footsteps.
Do 1 million push-ups.
He didn't even jump. He just bounced.
He's down at 5. Okay. Does that mean I win? Is he dead? Sylvie?
I think.
Killed him.
I made him die. He did 5 burpees and he died.
Dude, I just got sweaty pits, man. What's your problem?
Can I smell?
What?
Of course.
What? There's no way you need to be eating that loud.
level 143. You like always sit in this damn chair. This chair has a butt, like a butt. It's like because you sat on this so long, it has like a butt imprint. Like,
No, it doesn't.
stand up right now. Look at.
Dude.
I'm gonna have to freaking run for my life.
Yeah. Go, go, go! Alice, trim your bushes and you're like covering up everything.
Let's
Stop.
get collecting, Devin.
Dude,
Sometimes.
he doesn't know.
It's on edit him.
Are you on like Switch? What are you?
Amazon Luna.
What the hell
What?
is Amazon Luno?
One day.
Oh my god!
Brutal.
Remember like that one time you had hot Cheetos, and then you like started like screaming really loud because you're like, oh my god, my butt is on fire!
Oh, random.
Alright.
Watch and learn.
You guys are such tryhards.
Sometimes they're mixed up.
So you're actually loyal.
Stop tryharding.
No, I got first, obviously. I'm humping my skateboard. I'm humping my skateboard.
I'm rubbing my finger all over these fish.
What?
Caressing them with my... Yeah, I'm caressing these fish with my bobber. You didn't even change your name.
Alice! Get your face out of there. Why do you smile?
You just...
Why did you do that?
smiling. Girl Scout.
How far?
Oh, I've been saying Girl Scout this entire time. My entire
Why would it
goddamn
be
life.
Girl Scout?
I don't know, because there's multiple girls? I don't know, man.
Hey!
Dude,
Yeah.
get out of my face! What are you doing?
Who?
Oh my god, you!
What? Who's our?
You were literally, I turned around and you were like breathing down the back of my neck.
I was ahead of you.
I'm appealing this.
I'm peeling my balls off.
Dude!
Dude!
Had Marengue cookies?
What?
Have you ever had Marengue cookies?
Manure cookies?
Marengue.
Meringue?
Yeah. When I tried my mom's Marengue cookies, I was like, okay, someone baked here.
Did you get Sandy so early, bro?
When I tried my mom's Marengue
Shut up.
cookies,
Playing with Sonic Jr. Oh, yeah.
Give me carrot. Give me carrot.
So yeah. Yeah. Oh shit. Oh gosh.
Balm. That's just a word already. Balm.
Oh. Oboe. Moon. Or the dicks.
all I do is get big.
I can't build. Dude, I'm like George Flaubert. Why are you laughing at George Floyd? Alex?
Oh my
What? What the fuck?
Give us a hand, huh?
I'm like half a second behind. I keep thinking you're predicting everything.
Good night. You know what? I sleeping.
He's gonna sleep in there with him.
That way.